sure the mic's in there. Try to get that a little better. Alright, let's audio. Check, check. 1, 2. Checking. Check, check. Alright, I think that's alright. I don't know. Can we bring that up a little bit? Check, check. Oh yeah, rock and roll. Alright, so that's it. Trey Voltage live. People, what's happening? Watts, you get it? Okay, very good. Alright, so here we go again. Make sure the mic's in there. Alright. We're double checking, making sure that everything's hot. Is the mic hot? Is my hair hot? Check, check. 1, 2. Checking. Check, check. All right. Awesome. It's just me entertaining me. That's what pretty much happens here. All right. Let's make sure we've got all that going on. And we are going to need... Yeah, market's looking pretty good. In fact, here, let's take a quick look at that. But yeah, markets just, yeah, we're 3 minutes from the opening bell. And yeah, we actually hit a little bit of a new high there. Not by much, you know, like 80 cents. And a little bit of a new high. Yeah, so I'm expecting a plunge. Not dramatic, but you know, there'll be a profit taken, sell off. That's what I'm pretty much expecting. But it's tight, man, because it's hugging the 200 here on the 5 minute. This is my 5 minute chart, so it's below on the Qs. It's holding. So all right, yeah. If it gets below, that's going to be resistance. Yeah, we can get a drop down, and you know, maybe we'll go down about here, about 527. Go down to 527, start bouncing back. But yeah, market looks insanely good. You know, a little good economic data yesterday, so that was awesome. CPI, PPI, inflation, strange. Again, it caught me off guard. I really did not expect that data that fast, but that's me. I lose track of time. So, all right, now, just going to take you on a quick little tour. These are my swings here. And Apple, we need to break 191. We break 191. My belief, we've got room up to 196 to 198. This is Samsara. This is IoT Samsara. Doing really good. Hit a new high, and yeah, this is blue sky here, but this 42, this was basically when it reported, that's what the high hit pre-market. So it's diving now, but I took some profits on that last night, literally after the bell. You know, as I'm like, look, you know, it's all times high. We got above the 42, and let's see here. I sold that. Let's see. I trimmed at 42.10. So, looking for, definitely looking, because I trimmed at 39 and then we broke through, so I trimmed again. Apple, I won't trim until we hit 200. Now I got CrowdStrike. This is cybersecurity. So kind of keep an eye on this, but yeah, really looking. That's blue sky at 365. So I'm looking for basically 350. For a possible trim. Snow, this kind of data center, this one has hurt me, but we're doing good because this thing came all the way down here. Oh, there's the bell. There's the bell. All right, let's see what the market does. This is super micro. I also trimmed this as well. I trimmed this last night after the bell. And at 943.83. I picked up like 191 a share on that. That one was sweet. This one I picked up $7 a share on IoT. And then Crowd, I think I trimmed Crowd too, yeah? Yeah, 343.22. And picked up, what did I get on? What did I get on that one? Let's see. Take a look at my diary. And yeah, 51.25 a share on that. So that worked out really well too. All right. All right, so the market's open, so let's take a peek. And I got Microsoft. I'm a little over break even on that. I've got Nvidia, which I'm looking for a trim coming soon, but we're not there yet. It's probably going to be closer to 1,000. And ARM Holdings, this is this one right here. This one got crushed yesterday, but it's okay. Nice up. Hold a nice pullback right here on the, oh, I have to switch. This is ARM right here, but yeah, we got a nice setup here. So we can hold this, put in a nice bull flag, and then we might get a run up to 130. We'll see. But still holding that one, and but hopefully getting a little spike. And then I got Meta. And I've got Tesla. So, all right. Now, where are we at? What's happening? What are we looking to do? All right, market. Yeah, we're sitting on the 200. Are we going to go higher today? Well, we broke below. Yeah, we broke below the 200 here. See right there. So yeah, we got a shot on the Qs of going down, unless it's just a little overshoot action. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I had to take some profits yesterday, so I took them where I could. But yeah, brought in like 250 to 260, somewhere in there, of some swing profit. So that was kind of cool. Especially since I lost, 560. But also with that, my swing portfolio hit a new high, all-time high. So, but again, you're like, if I didn't lose the 500, I'd be somewhat crushing it. Yeah, didn't happen that way. So, all right. So let's start looking for some action, and let's see what we can come up with here. And let's see. This is FinViz. I'm still waiting. I have to wait for until basically my time, 6:45. To actually get some of that. So once we have an idea there, we'll take a peek. But for right now, just kind of keep an eye on the market and take a look at what my watch list is putting out. Okay, we've got a couple things here. Let's see. Yeah, I got spooked yesterday, man. Yeah. A little spooked. All right, my TD scanner, is it going to do anything? So yeah, I'm not touching the swings, leaving the swings alone. If they continue up, I'll continue to trim, and if they pull back, we'll, of course, we'll watch the market, and we'll be looking to add. All right, so AST, let's start looking through here at some trades. Let's see what we got. Oh, forgot to put on my pretty light. Let's see if that brightens everybody's day. Glamour lighting at Trey Voltage. That's right. All right, we'll see if that sparks things up a little bit. Okay. So anyway, yeah, back to let's find some trades. Yeah, because like I said, my swings, not doing anything. Leaving them alone. Went through them yesterday. All right, so ASTS. Let's see. Let's see what we got. All right. Yeah. I think that light's making a difference. Uh-oh. All right, so this one, yeah, all right, what do we got? 12 million shares? Okay. Looks like it's an earnings play. All right, we're sitting right at the 200. 361. Okay. Break over the 200. Possible shot. 357. I like the number. And that's the other side of the gap. Just mark that in white. All right. Look at that. A little bit of room on that if it gets, you know, it's feeling a little frisky. All right. Let's take that out and put that back there correctly. So, yeah, there's a little bit of room. It's earnings, so market highs 390. Yeah, puts it right at the end of the gap. So it already blasted through to it. So all right. So we got an alert set on that one, and then we got the Goose. The Goose. Another earnings play. And we got 1.2 million shares, but hey, look at this. We're above the 200. So that's cool. But again, are we going to get follow through? That's what it boils down to. And then, yeah, see, now we're going into like a legit kind of a pivot right here. So we'll mark that off, but and then yeah, and that one just extends there. So yeah, all right. Over the 200, there's no real traffic on it. So if we can, we'll just put a little alert on here, see if it's going to want to play around 1375. All right, so that's the Goose, and then we got MGNI, and this is a play here. All right. All right, gotcha. So this is the end of the gap here, right there. Yeah, that's a powerful line. But yeah, we'll just mark it white. But I'm just strengthen it up. And after that, yeah. See, I like these. This is the kind of thing I like. Just straight up. It's a straight wall. All right, and what are we up now? We're up 18%, so yeah. what's the news? It's getting everybody excited. So, yesterday, Netflix reports something about some in-house advertising, and Needham came out this morning and says $15 price target. So, let me see. Yeah, see, saying Needham reiterates a buy on Magnite, but yeah. Okay, so what is this? Is this takeover, or is this just going to be that they're going to use MGNI? But yeah, Netflix is going advertising. I'll tell you, man. Yeah, I'm actually about to cancel my Netflix. You know, I brought it down to that $9.99 level where the quality's not as good. Fine, you know, I'm like, that's fine. Get it back down to $10, and then just for no reason they raised it to 12, and that's 20%, right? Like that's just 20% increase for no reason. They're just raising prices, and then as you notice, if you followed their earnings, they crushed it, and they had more subscriptions than they've had in quite a while. I don't know what the historical marker was, but because they stopped the sharing account thing, they're just booming prices because they're taking over the space. So yeah, I'm canceling at the end of this month, and I'm just gonna go and do like Roku TV, just do some free stuff, because it's getting out of control. Like you're just raising prices for no reason, and then you're pushing me that I can pay a cheaper rate if I buy it with ads. Where most companies are like, hey, if you pay more, you don't get ads. No, yeah, here it's like, no, pay the ads. So anyway, this has something to do with Netflix, and yeah, this is opening up. All right, and I'm getting a run here. Look at that. Yeah, so what I saw at 943. Yeah, sold at 943 on Super Micro, and it's cracking. It's going for 960. Whatever. Got to pay yourself. So this is interesting, but again, this is only up 22%. So this isn't huge, but it's holding. It just needs some kind of a little pullback. Like this little pullback here, that was actually pretty decent. I kind of liked it, but I was chatting, so I missed it. Yeah, but Super Micro, let's go. Next stop, 995. We're getting another pullback. Now this will be the second pullback, so this might still be playable. But again, the momentum is not outstanding by any means. All right, and wow, look at this pullback. Yeah, a little too dramatic again, but we're under the 200, so I'm not interested. Let's see what we got here. That chart literally looks like an acquisition. I have no idea what's going on there. Okay. All right, but the GOOS, right? The GOOS is making a play. And the GOOS all right. Yeah, I mean, we're out of traffic, so yeah, GOOS is good. Just not really completely ready to do anything. And yeah, obviously this 1378 going up through 14 is is an issue, and we're getting, it's selling every time it pops. Volume, 1.8 million. So earnings play up 18%. What kind of company? Can we get an idea? Oh, Canada Goose. Canada Goose Holding. This can't be Canada Goose. At 13 bucks? Wow. I thought that stock was worth more than that. I haven't looked at that in years. But that's retail, so no. And let's see. Are we going to get... All right, we should have... All right, here we go. All right, let me show you. So here's what FinViz is reporting, and that's saying LSDI. All right. All right, and Goose just broke through as I'm doing this. So you're telling me the Ducks are gonna rock it today? Go Ducks! I don't know. Should you call a goose a duck? They're an angry animal. Yeah, Goose would be like, I'm not a duck, bucko. Interesting. It's just the volume's low. It's retail. I mean, it's up 20%, which is awesome. But yeah. So. Oh, sorry, I didn't take it back. So yeah, you can see, yeah, it's Goose is starting to move. But all right, market. So LSDI, let's just kind of keep an eye on the actual trades we want to try to find. All right, NVIDIA, rocking. What's my target on that? Yeah, it's just under 1,000. Blue sky on NVIDIA is going to be 974. Okay. So let's see. So as you can see, this is the scan I'm watching, but let's go back and let's pump them in. So let me get that one a bit smaller there. Okay. So LSDI, yeah, it's already kind of pulling back, but let's see, BCAN. Oh, that's $1. Yeah. Not a big fan of that. Wow, look at this pullback. To all that, look at all that support. But, yeah, you could lose 50% of your money before it, finally decides to grab some support. Wow. What's the volume? 1.3 million on $1 stock? No. Oh, look at this. Goose just got added to the upside. All right, so again, now see, for me to watch this, I'm going like, look. Yeah, this is absolute resistance here, coming up into the 14. But could it get a ride straight to 15? Volume is just low, but look at this. Are you kidding me right now? Seriously? Canada Goose goes flying. See, this happens to me all the time. I'll see this and be like, okay, looking good, and then I don't do anything, and there you go. There you go. I get to watch it go. But yeah, if I'd have traded it, nah, it's going nowhere. Isn't that something? Isn't that something? But whatever. I mean, it's a good move. I mean, it's, you know, what, 25, it's like a 35-cent move. It's a good move. You know, for that quick, sure. On Canada Goose, why not? Let's see. Anything else? Yeah, there's really nothing else today. At least it's coming across my scanner. You can see Canada Goose just, you know, jumped in second place, and it's up 20%. And the big one's LSDI, but that thing's pulling back. So, yeah, nothing there. And market's just holding. It's just sitting there. It's not selling off. People are not taking profits. Okay. Now, Super Micro went up to, oh, wow. Super Micro right up here. Topped out at 971. Yeah, I got 191 a share on that yesterday. And that would have been another, what, 40 bucks on top of it. Really like playing that stock when it works. All right. And what do we got here? Seriously? There we go. The scanner coming in on, or the antivirus. And Apple up here, here we go. This is the marker I've been waiting for. We break 191, we got a shot. We're going towards 200. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. Look at that. Come on, baby. See if it's going to do it. ARM holdings, at least starting to kind of climb from yesterday. So that's really good. But yeah, nothing else. Tesla, just, you know, it's just Tesla. I screwed up too, because this thing, after it reported, it went jumping up and I didn't trim it. So that's why yesterday I was like, you know, I go back and forth with it. But it's just like, you gotta trim. You have to trim. Doesn't matter. You know, market goes up like it did yesterday, and you're not trimming, you can't do that. So, all right, look at Goose here. Let's go back and let's take a quick peek here at Goose. Look at this. Is Goose seriously going to be the stock today? That just hurts my feelings. All right. Dun dun dun. All right, did anybody other than Goose, I know has, yeah, Goose absolutely reported. All right. Walmart reported, and yeah, pretty good. JD.com, Deere. All right, Deere had a nice, yeah, it looked pretty good. Baidu, Under Armour, still don't have numbers on it, but Under Armour. And there's Goose, yeah, Goose. Ooh, Goose blew it out of the water, man. Well, at least earnings per share. They were expecting 6 cents. They got 14 cents. So, but I'm not seeing here. I'd have to go. And it looks like I'll have time because look at Goose. It seriously wants to go to 15. Unbelievable. It's like I try to learn from this. Like, see, like this move, like right there, looks really good after the fact. But we're looking at this. We came up. So now, are we going to do like that 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern? Just like 1, 2, 3, and this has to be higher. We have to hold here, and then 4, and then we blast off. I don't know. I don't know. Is it setting that up? I don't know. Who am I? I'm no one. I don't know what I'm doing, but you know what? Let's see if it's going to put in like, okay, this nice kind of pull up. You know, we want to pull light. Pull. We got 5 more seconds on this. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. All right, so we want to get a little bit of a pull. If it just goes right now, which, you know, it could, but I'd love to see one more candle down, like right there. Stop. Don't go any lower. All right, we got 35 seconds, and if we get first candle to make a new high after this, does it launch? 1, 2, 3. All right, 18 seconds. All right, look at the volume. MACD is closing, but it's open. And here comes the new candle. You get a little dip and then a push. All right, I'm gonna take a shot. All right, I'm in at 14.29. Let's see if I don't get completely crushed. And of course they do. Let's see. I'm going to give this thing a second. The volume looks okay. MACD is kind of holding. All right. If we looked at the Bollinger Band here, we got room up to 1450. Let's see if we can pull 25 cents out of it. No. All right. Market itself is holding. Let's see. And there's the crush. There's the crushing blow. Coming down to the 9. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see. We're at the next 1 minute candle. Okay, but this 1 minute candle did not close below that one. So let's see. Are we just going to get smoked? Or are we going to actually get some momentum here? We're going to get some volume to come back in and be like, booyah! Ducks are flying. Should have my duck call. That's not looking good. All right, we're going to get some buying. All right, we're getting a little bit of buying at 14.16. It's leaning down, but it's got to hold this pivot. Yep, it's sketchy. I'm at 29. It's sketchy. Let's see. Come on, baby. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on. All right, we got a bottoming tail on that. All right, so just all we need to do here is just break 25. Let's see. All right. Looks like a little bit of volume coming in. We're speeding up. Come on. Nope, we're not speeding up yet. We need a little more speed on time and sales. All right, 3 cent spread. Come on. Come on. Come on. And it just doesn't have it. All right, I'm out. Yeah. All right, lost 17 cents a share. So, whatever. It's still holding. It's just that it's not ready. I really thought we were getting that kind of 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, because 1, 2, 3, and then 4 up. But we're still in a flag position. We're still holding the 9 on the 1 minute. We're extended here on the 5 from the 9, so it may need to come down back below 14. But that's disappointing. All right, so we're going to come back down to 14. We'll hit the 20 EMA here. We'll get right into the mid-range of the Bollinger Bands. And we'll see. I don't know. Yeah, the only thing with big volume is that Lucy's Scientific Discovery. But you've got BMTX. Alright, so that was a loss. But yeah. Oh yeah, let me see. Just real quick, I want to go over there. Because for some reason, it gets like a little bit of a, it won't show my orders. I'm trying to, it'll generally do it, but it takes a minute. All right, off 14. Yeah, we're getting, you've got the bottoming tails there. Volume is light. All right, I'm going to try one more time here. I'm in at 1420. And we've got, and one thing is we got like 2.5 minutes left on this 5 minute. So probably just should have waited for the first 5 minute candle. But we're getting these bottoming tails. We're getting them right off the 9. It's a clear pivot. All right, we're starting to go. Come on. Just need the volume, and we need MACD to open up again. Well, now we're getting the friggin' topping tail. Yeah, I'm out again. Yeah, wow. Just lost 13 cents on that. Yeah, can't get it to move. So we're gonna play it off the 5 if we're gonna play it. There's nothing else to play. The BMTX. It's up 68%. But this one's hanging out at VWAP. It's just flat. If it want, I'll put an alert on it. And see if, and just real quick, just so I have an idea in case it does toot its horn at me. So, all right, well, yeah, it's like I wanted to trade, and I know it's like it's freaking retail. Like I shouldn't be even touching this, but it's like whatever. But if there's going to be a move, we're into the new 5 minute candle here. Now, here's what we need, right? Because we're in a pivot right here at 14, 1398.14. We got a pivot. We got pivot action. We need a doji right here. We get a doji right here, and then 5 minutes later, we might be able to get a lift off. So I'm going to give that a shot. Nothing else is looking remotely decent for a trade. And again, I missed the one yesterday. I froze. This one here, like, again, I saw this. I'm like, okay. Like we got first pullback, we got second pullback didn't work. But we're holding this pivot here at 14. So we'll see. You know, we still got 4 minutes on this, unless it decides it wants to run. You know, the high of this 5-minute candle is 14.23. Right? But yeah, we're not. As if we're in this together. Oh man. All right, so you know we're getting again. All right, there's some pin action, but it's not. Yeah, it's not set up correctly just yet. So we're gonna. I'm gonna give it that. BMTX. Come on. All right, it's got volume coming in. Let me just see what what's the float on BMTX here. Yeah, it's got an 8 million float, so not crazy high, but still it hasn't even rotated its stock once. You know, LSDI is really kind of the one. But it's going nowhere. So, alright. Damn it, man. You know, the thing with this stock is it's an investor stock. People are like, yeah, I'm an investor in Goose down products. Alright, Canadian Goose. They are. They're great products. And they reported really well. Just seeing if they've had any analysts here that have come out and said, yeah, hey, they're awesome. But soft guidance though, yeah. Stock soars earning beat offsets the soft guidance. So year over year, it kind of looked pretty good. You know, it's just you've got these. Yeah, these are just big. These are big pivots, man. There's just not a lot of room in it. You know, this was the best play right here, and that was it. So. Yeah, I mean it's flagging nice, but it's not in a position. All right, it's trying to hold 14, which is good. Holds a whole dollar. You know, maybe in an hour. Whatever. Yeah, damn it, man. That's why it bums me out when I miss the ones. And I'm sure there were pre-market moves this morning. That were, you know, really outstanding. Topping tail, but you still go. So if we were to look at, let's say, LSDI, and take a look at these. Yeah, you look at it pre-market, yeah. You know, really nice pre-market move, and then market opened, nothing. So again, I'm missing that because I'm not in the market, the pre-market. Although BMTX had a nice move out of the gate. And some BCAN. Just low volume. LiDAR. Again, volume's too low and it's in all kinds of traffic here. So and let's see, VFS. Wow. All right. But again, low volume. So I mean, you have to sit. You gotta wait with that kind of a thing. You know, and this is at a big pivot right here. You know, plus, yeah, that $5 level, you got the 100 day, so yeah, just not exciting. Thought we may have had something here, and no. I'm gonna watch the tape back on this for sure because I really think I mistraded it on that second trade for sure. All right, we got 50 seconds, and the high of this candle as we're moving up, 1409. Not in position. But we're finally getting a doji here. On the 5 minute, we just need the 9 to pull up to it. Or for, you know, for the price to come down to the 9, 1380. Yeah, look at this candle on the 1 minute. So yeah, I just anything from here is just kind of goofing around. These are some others, but I don't know if the float's kind of. Floats are probably higher on these. Feels like that's it, right? Market's just holding, right? It's kind of sitting right on the 200 here, on the 5-minute. Even got bought up off of it. So it's not a selling event, which is interesting. Sorry, playing with my scenes. And then, I've got, Apple just, it's going to that 191, can't break it. At least not right now. IoT pulled in, let's see. Super Micro went from 970 back to 937. So we'll keep an eye on that for a possible add back. Meta, nothing on either side. Nvidia. So, yeah, I guess, guys, I mean, there's just, not any action. Just bums me out because, yes, it's like, it's been like this where I haven't been able to really find any action. And, after the market opens. And yesterday, finally had it, and I froze and I didn't get in. So that really sucked. And then, of course, today I try to play something that I know I shouldn't even be touching. And ended up, with 2 losing trades on it. So, yeah, what I lose? 13 cents a share on one of them, and what? 17 cents on the other one. So, yeah. So what do? I don't know. I think I'm just going to have coffee and do some other work because there's nothing going on. And let's see. I will check. Waiting on a package. Oh, it says it's out for delivery. Yeah, you're 3 days late. All right, between 2:30 and 6:30, I get my package today? Really? Really? Should I believe you? I don't even think I should believe you. Alrighty. What can I tell you? That's it. So, I'm just going to keep an eye. I'm just going to watch my my trades, and see if anything happens. But the market's flat, which is good. Nothing wrong with that. And look at Goose. Now it's breaking the 9. It's breaking the pivot. Yeah, it's going to the 20 now. So we're going to the $0.50. Yeah, it's over. I'll have to add that to my diary. Day trade loss. Whatever. Let's see here. And all right. So what's the average loss here? Average loss is 15 cents a share. Not good. Just trying to make something happen out of nothing. So it's good. Just stop. What's today? The 16th. So let's just get some other work done and just call it a day. Oh, look, yeah, finally these came in. I don't know why that is. I don't know. I don't know if they care enough about this platform, but anyway, but yeah, those are my trades. Kind of see what I did here. What bought at 29, sold at 12. Bought at 20, sold at 7. And yeah, this one, this particular transaction, shouldn't have messed with, but I thought, and I kind of went against what the MACD was doing. And, I was initially winning. It's just I wanted to see a pop. But, yeah, the MACD just wasn't going for it. So, anyway, so there it is. There's the magic. So, I got nothing else, and just sitting here staring at a screen is not going to make me any money. So I am going to continue on with my day, and yeah, man. But hey, thanks for watching. Nobody. It's all right. Whatever. Someday people will care. All right, what do I have here? I put these different scenes in here. And where's the one that I wanted? Is this the one? There we go. All right. There we go. We'll end on that one. Oh, man. So, yeah, I'm doing all right. Yeah, I got 8 subscribers. And, let's see here. Go to the home screen. I'm doing okay. My little videos. And, yeah, just having fun with it. Got 28 videos, 8 subscribers. So, not many care, but let me tell you, it's when it comes to entertainment, doesn't matter. If I only have 2 fans, then we're focused on the 2 fans. But still, yeah, no one's watching me live at this point, but it's all right. I'm having a good time with it. I dig it. So, all right, I'm out of here. I'm going to go do some other work. It's coming up on 7:30. Market's been open for almost an hour. Nothing's really playing out. As of right now, my swing trades are what's been working for me, and I will just wait and see. So, anyway, all right, thanks for watching. Rock and roll trading. Trading with Trey. Trading. What's happening? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao for now. Rock and roll.